Hey, what's going on? I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company LLC. And in this episode, I just wanted to share with you just what the V.A.W has become in the last few months since we've launched a new product, Vehicle Attached Wallet. It's the best product in its class we've seen in a long time. Oh, wait. That's because we haven't seen anything like it. We just invented it. Completely new to the market, Vehicle Attached Wallet. It's second only to the seatbelt, so you can be a part of history once you order yours today at vehicleattachedwallet.com. It's unusual, but it's definitely a winner because safety matters to everyone. Based on what our researchers say, there's absolutely no competition. It's one of a kind. Just as time goes on and everyone has theirs, you'll wonder why you don't have yours. The V.A.W at vehicleattachedwallet.com. Because this is what we know. It's a game changer and a lifesaver. Because safety matters to everyone. Did I mention the tremendous offer we have going on right now at vehicleattachedwallet.com? Check it out. It might just save your life or someone in your family that you love. I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company LLC, vehicleattachedwallet.com. We'll see you soon.